Happy Tuesday, everyone. This is how I live now. I'm constantly on the lookout for new business adventures, so I've decided to become a nomad and Airbnb my house. Well, I don't want to give out keys that can be copied or lost. So our new products line has a great solution for not only that, but for anyone who wants more controlled accessibility and added security. Let me show you. This is the Schlage hardware line. Not only do we offer regular interior and exterior locks and hardware, we also offer smart locks. We have several options that will fit any budget. This is the Schlage Sense, and with its Bluetooth capabilities, you can use your phone to lock and unlock it. This Schlage Connect can be paired with most smart home alarm systems like Alarm.com and Ring, and can be controlled from just about anywhere using your smartphone. A really cool feature about these two locks is they have a built-in alarm system that helps detect any threats, and they have a 2-year battery life. And the best part, it only takes 4 AA batteries to power them. While these locks have all the bells and whistles, there are simpler options where you just manually program your code, punch it in, and you're done. Well, all of these smart locks are easy to install, no wiring required. Install video coming soon. Do I get one? Yes? No. Okay, well then I'm gonna need a screwdriver. Thank you. That's all for this week. Make sure to check out my Airbnb listing and give me all the monies, and leave any questions or comments below. Until then, see you next week. Come on. Yeah! Most alarm systems, I will punch your face. With smart home alarm systems, that's what I'm looking for. An alarm system seriously? 3, 2, 1.